YouTubers, we got a big one today. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. As you can see, we got a big old box. I think this is coming from Fancyarn. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Excuse the mess from the dog toys. And definitely check these guys out. I gotta see which way this goes to open it. So we have a big old box. Everything looks good. Definitely excited to see what's inside, and you guys could get one of these. And alrighty, guys, the box is empty. There's a little box right in here. This is what you get inside the box. You get that little silver thingy, Allen wrench, and all that good stuff, and this little guy. And now we got the legs. Oh, that's what that thing is. An extra one. An extra leg. Nice color. I'm liking the color. And we got that table I got put together. Got 2 drawers. Nice little either kids table or, you know, a poker table type deal. But, you know, or a TV stand, game room. And here we go. It's really nice. I'm going to put this down because I got to work from the bottom. Gotta be careful. Oh, that one. Sorry about that. Oops. Here we go. So there's some holes there you gotta put the legs through. And then the drawers right there. Just gotta shut it. There we go. Definitely cool. Extra tables is always a good thing to have. Especially for parties or whatnot. So, alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it there. It does come with the manual. It is just like tucked like in here, so you just gotta find it. Here's the front. Super easy to do. And here it is. But definitely a nice table. Maybe a gaming table, a TV stand. Got some drawers here. Pretty, you can slide some controllers in there. Maybe the Bible. You never know. But really nice. You know, pretty good size, though. So, alright, YouTubers, check them out. Fancyarn on Amazon. The link will be down below. And take it easy, be safe.